Okay, so we're installing the Chicco Key Fit 30, the base, in the back of a Honda CRV. And there's a couple of levels here on the side so you can make sure it's leveled. Also, there's adjustables right here. By clicking these two buttons on the side, you can adjust the level of the seat. I'm trying to do middle. Now you first want to take the latches out of the side here, lift up this lever, pull them out, make sure it's nice and loose. And these always want to go straight down. So in other words, it does look like a stapler, so you want to make sure that the top part is protruding on the top, and find the anchors on your seat. And snap them firmly into place. Firmly into place, which it's not doing. Alright, so it's clicked firmly into place. The levelers are positioned correctly. So now what you want to do here is grab this, push against the seat, and tighten this as much as possible. Now once that, you want to make sure that it's not sliding more than an inch to either side. So you probably want to give it a little more tug here. Fold this up, stick it in its pocket, and the base is installed.